Without a tracker, your stolen bike has a 5% chance of coming home, but with a hidden GPS, that jumps to 70%. No bike is theft-proof. Your goal is simply to make it harder to steal than the one parked next to it. Let's build a data-backed anti-theft system that actually works. First, let's talk trackers. The cheapest entry point is an Apple AirTag or Samsung Smart Tag. But here's the mistake most people make. These aren't real GPS. They rely entirely on passing smartphones to ping a location. If you live in a dense city, a $29 AirTag hidden in your seat tube works incredibly well, because it leverages 2 billion Apple devices. But if you ride in the suburbs or rural areas, they are practically useless. For bikes over $1,000, you need dedicated, active GPS. The Invoxia tracker runs $130 plus a $40 annual subscription. Unlike an AirTag, it has its own LTE connection and pushes instant motion alerts straight to your phone. Let's build your system based on budget. If your bike is under $1,000, spend about $100 total. Get a solid U-lock, hide an AirTag in the frame, and register your serial number on Bike Index for free. For bikes in the $1,000 to $3,000 range, we upgrade. You want a heavy-duty kryptonite New York lock, an AirTag as a cheap decoy, and a hidden Invoxia GPS tracker. This runs about $240 upfront for real-time tracking. Practical warning: always lock the frame and rear wheel to an immovable object. Use a secondary cable for the front, and never leave your bike outside overnight. That's an angle grinder buffet. If your bike is over $3,000, you need specialized insurance. Don't assume your renter's or homeowner's policy will save you. They hit you with massive deductibles and aggressive depreciation, leaving you with pennies on the dollar. Dedicated providers like Velassurance or Markle cost $150 to $300 a year. They cover actual replacement value with low deductibles, protecting against theft, crash damage, and travel nightmares. If you race or travel, this is mandatory. Thieves want easy targets. A heavy-duty lock deters them, and an invisible tracker gets the bike back. Layer your security, document your serial number today, and ride with peace of mind. Lock it right, track it, and ride hard.